Hello, beautiful people. It is really very important to balance in your life as well as to achieve something balancing and management for a working person. Here are 4 tips on how to balance a good work life without ruining your social life.
I'm an ophthalmologist, and today I want to help you understand how the way you see others may be endangering your life. You may not actually have a diagnosis of cataracts, glaucoma, or macular degeneration, but I guarantee that the way you view others is distorted in the same way. And without clear vision, and I'm not talking 20/20, it's impossible to connect with others. We need more than our eyes to truly see.
To chill and work, get a mobile. One also reminds work doesn't always happen from behind the desk, says Olive. Use mobile technology to allow you to unplug as well as spend an afternoon working from your favorite cafe, local park, or cottage talk, she suggests. Manage things from phone also helpful. Secondly, by putting yourself in comfortable surroundings, you feel like more productive and thoughtful and innovative, more ideas for your projects you are working. You will feel like you have put in the surrounding as well as the work field. Give yourself a vacation. Sometimes it's difficult to leave work for an extended vacation, but give yourself at least one vacation as well as try more frequent too, but shorter getaways to get the break you need without having to vacate the office for long periods of time. To maintain your mind and relax from work, but work also important too. So try to balance and click the picture and upload it on Instagram and Facebook, share with your friend. A work skill into a personal project. A great communicator, like planning events, good with numbers. Nothing feels better than extending your work skill to a cause that inspires you. Take the time because we have a responsibility to leverage the skills we have as well as the success we have here to facilitate opportunities for young women around the world and men. Yeah, let's celebrate the success. There is no point in working hard and achieving success if you cannot celebrate the fruits of your labor, says Olive happily. A little, as well as carve out a night, a week to celebrate with like-minded friends, learning the secrets to their success over cocktails, suggests Olive, which meet you to your social world. In an era of social distancing, our work-life balance is already struggling. For many people, our work has largely adjusted to the pandemic, but many of our leisure activities and favorite outlets have not. As a result, it's even easier to get pulled into work. We may hope that the meeting with the marketing team will provide at least a bit of the coveted social interaction and stimulation that we would normally get at the gym, a concert, or going out with friends. Discovering that the relationship between work and home life is off kilter in the first step in resettifying it. It might take some time, but small daily or weekly habits can make a huge difference in the long run. If you need help in building out a plan to improve your work-life balance, coaching can help you. Thank you so much.